Okay, here we go one more time. This is my Fluke88V automotive multimeter. I was using it to test some equipment that I'll show you on a later video. And I was measuring live current through the meter, and I had it set on millivolt range, and the actual, instead of being 4 millivolts, it was 4 amps. So I blew this fuse. So let me set this over, and yeah, let me do that. I love it. Okay, there we go. Okay. Right, hopefully you can see this. Going across the two leads, it's open circuit. So I ordered these online. I'll have a connection to everything so you can see it. This is I guess a Kidder, something like that, fuse set, and this other says Bojack. And I got them both because you never know. So this fuse set here comes with two sizes. One's just slightly smaller than the other. Darker blue and a lighter blue. If we take a look, one's just slightly shorter than the other. I don't know if it's going to fit, but I'm going to match it up with the one that the blue. So setting this aside, I'm going to test the new fuse, and you can see it's basically 600 milliohms, 500 milliohms, and of course there has to be some resistance. That's how the fuse blows. It gets hot. As you take a look here, you can see the fuse is rather large. And the reason for that, I do believe, is the voltage. But here's where this one goes. It's in place. Now, I just noticed something interesting. On my camera setup, and evidently it displays now the sound on the camera, where I didn't ever see that before. Alrighty. So this fuse is bad. It went in the bad file, and I'm going to assemble this. I didn't show me taking it apart simply because I needed to get it apart to see the fuse, and I was focusing on that. This is the back cover, this is the front cover, and the front cover comes with 3 screws. So step 1 is to make sure that you route the battery connection correctly. And I wasn't going to take it apart to show you because I don't need to wear out the holes and the like, but let me show you what this looks like here. Hold on. Okay, that's what the inside looks like. It has resistance, ohms, and everything there. And then it has the membranes. So hopefully you can see that. And then I'm going to put this cover back on. Okay. I'm going to come here, move this down and around so it doesn't go anywhere, and then place the cover back on. And just like that, it snapped into place. And this is where the battery goes in. So I'm going to install the 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Right here. The big thing is showing you the fuse. You get these started here. I may have to go get another. I'm going to go get another tip. I need a better tip. Better screwdriver. Let me go get a better screwdriver. Stand by. Alrighty. So I went and grabbed some more screwdrivers. Okay, this one here is a Phillips #1 and it's working much better. So stand by, I can fix this problem. Very good, very, very good. I did install 2 rechargeable batteries up there. So allow me to finish this here. Okay. 1. Yeah, these are much better screwdriver. It says here #1, 3 inches long, and of course it's a great Harbor Freighter Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh, China. Also known as Wuhan, like the flu. Another reason I didn't want to put it back together, I don't want to wear out this the screw holes. All right, you can see I'm going to need to go get something else. All right, this sits in here like this, I bet. So here we go. There's a connector. There is the battery. Looks like the plus side is facing out or towards me. This is going to go back on, and then 1 second. Edit this, Dave. Okay. Screwed that a little backwards to get it to go. This is showing you the unlock positions. And they're in the lock positions, which goes against what they're saying here. Let me turn this on. F8, it appears to be working fine. So there we go. Now let me turn it off. Place back on my the cover. Like so, and it's back to new. Here are the fuses. You'll see them with where I got them off of Amazon. There's a reason that Bezos has so much money. He basically found every product that there is, put it online, and gets it delivered in 2 days with the Prime membership, which I've had since like 2007. So let me come here and show you one more thing here. This is a current probe that I got. They're more expensive. Well, first of all, it's Fluke, so it is. But this does AC and DC, and I needed both AC, DC. Plus, it uses the Hall effect pickup, and it won't blow up my meter. And I bought more fuses because I'm going to blow up my meter. Anyway, let's see if I'm going to open this. There's that. Oh, it comes with something else. A whole bunch of paper. And here is the meter. Now, just so everyone is aware, you should be able to see this here, but these are the 10 amp fused, milliamp fused, and this meter goes across one of two places. And I guess I should have kept the directions. No, just kidding. I'm certain I have them. They're just not with me. The moment. Okay, I don't know if you can see that or not. Right there, it does power on. Okay, there's a current probe. Says something about a lead. Microamps, milliamps, diode, and it beeps because it doesn't like. Oh, well, sorry camera, sorry buddy. It didn't like the, this can only go in one of two ways. And it seems to me it should go on the milliamp. So putting it in here, it doesn't like the lead. And that makes sense because it wants to be set at the current reading. So let's do that. Okay. Now this is a zero adjust. And we got nothing because we have no current whatsoever on it. All right. So that's basically it and how it works. So let me turn this off. I don't know if you can see the dot or not. And then it goes off. Hold it down and release. And now you can see the DC setting is different if we turn it back on. It's on, and the current reading is right there. So let me turn it off again. And it goes back up to 78 milliamps. So I'm going to set this aside because I got to read up on the RTV 900 so I can show you how you test the circuitry. So that'll be it for this video. It's about putting the Fluke together with the correct fuses. Again, I blew out the 4 milliamp fuse. Thank you for watching.